I want to thank you for taking time out your busy schedule to come share your story with us.
Absolutely.
For the people that don't know much about you, tell the people a little bit about you.
See, that's my opening line.
Is it?
Absolutely.
You want to hear something funny?
So, what's up?
I got it from you.
So, for the people that don't know you, can you tell us a little bit about yourself?
When I first started podcasting, I used to watch. Then I met you. And then you taught me a few things, and I've been using them.
Each one teach one.
Still sharp steel.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So I'm a podcaster, man. I was born here in Milwaukee, but I wasn't raised out here. I was actually raised right outside of Madison, Wisconsin. And so I'm back and forth. It's a little place called Stoughton. So it's like 20, 30 minutes away from Madison. But I was back and forth from Madison to Stoughton.